Hello, people. Today we're going beyond instancing and into a territory called replicators. While instances offer a great performance, replicator help you achieve more detailed animations. Here I animated some flowers with moving petals. It uses multiple replicants inside one another, like the 5 petals itself, the copied flower movement, and finally different colors. I have prepared a basic template, and this file you can download on my Patreon. Let's check out a basic example. All the movement is calculated inside this base comp. It is then converted to a table dat, which we can reference in the replicator comp. Additionally, I use a keyboard and chop to pulse to recreate. Let's check out how I positioned the flowers. You can change the speed, count, and spread values with the base comp parameters. The speed value goes into a speed shop, which continuously adds the given value. Since there is no speed parameter in the noise, putting it in does it. Lag chop to smooth it out. The math chop controls the spread of the flowers. Since the aspect is portrait, I amplify the Y chords. This section controls the rotation for each flower by delaying the values by 1 frame. Rename it correctly. Here we are again. The number of replications depend on the number of rows in the table. The prefix controls the name for each replication. The comp comes with a callback script. I use it to correctly connect the replication with the merge. In this example, I let it run through a render and call it a day. Enough bullshit, let's continue with the base comp. There's another replicator, since we want to have an SOP object to replicate. In this example, I skipped complex math to calculate generative number for the petal count, but I'm going to give you a hint. Let's see how we can access the values from the table we used as replicator. The me.parent digits is essentially the index of each replication. If it wouldn't be in a base comp, it'd be me digits. You can replace the 5 with an additional parameter in the base comp. For the movement, I simply use an LFO. My idea is to get the acceleration of the y-axis to generate the rotation value. Same replicator code is used here as well. Here is how to get the table values from the base comp. Beautiful. Let's add a parameter to handle the spread of the flowers. Oh no. I think my camera is displaced. Here we go. Did you know that Neanderthals painted seashells with pigment and wore them as jewelry? It was at least 115,000 years ago, long before modern humans were thought to do anything similar.